Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll first confirm Python and reach the shell. This avoids surprises later. Check Python version or Python 3 version so you know the interpreter. Once done, open your terminal app and navigate to the project folder with CD. If you prefer, drag a folder into the terminal to autofill the path. Make sure virtual environments are available. You'll create one next. This primes the environment, so the subsequent commands run predictably and won't affect global packages. You'll make and use a virtual environment to isolate dependencies. Run Python mvenv. Venv then activate it with source. venv/bin/activate on Mac OS/Linux or /venv/scripts/activate on Windows. Once active, install any packages with pip so projects stay reproducible. To experiment immediately, type Python to launch the interactive REPL, use print, and import to test modules. To run a file, exit the REPL and run Python script. Py. This flow keeps your system clean and behavior consistent. You'll run final scripts and verify outputs. Use Python script, Py or Python m module, name for packages. If you see module not found error or wrong version, check that the virtual environment is activated and Python version matches expectations. Make sure path points to the venv's bin or scripts directory. Once fixed, use piplist to inspect installed packages and pip install to add missing ones. If things still fail, deactivate and reactivate the venv. That often clears.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.